Hey guys, welcome back. So many things to talk about today, so let's jump straight into it. So in the video, I'm going to be telling you about the best deals at Target, the best deals at Walmart. I'm going to tell you about 2 different giveaways I have going on, as well as one that's coming up. I'll briefly tell you what I'm making for dinners this week because I know a lot of you like to hear that. And what's up with these shoes? So let's talk about that first. I know I did not do a Walgreens video on Sunday, so if you like me for my Walgreens videos, the deals just weren't that great. And so, I mean, you couldn't even get free toothpaste. Come on. So I just skipped this week, but I will be back this coming week with Walgreens deals. You can count on me to be your Walgreens girl. Okay, so let's talk about these shoes. Remember I said in 2023, I wanted to do more of showing you products that I love and that I think you might enjoy as well. So these shoes that I'm going to tell you about are from a company called Fitville. And that company focuses on comfort. So they have all this like fancy technology they talk about on their website of how they make their shoes comfortable, but they have tons of shoes in wide and extra wide and extra wide. So if that fits you, definitely check out their shoes. I don't have wide feet, so I've never ordered, well, that's not true. I do have one pair that was meant for wide feet, but they were too big for me. So let me tell you about the ones I got. These shoes, these little flats are perfect. So normally I'm between a 7.5 and an 8. So hopefully this information helps. I got an 8 in these and they fit perfectly. I love these shoes. I wear them constantly. And look, they have this little like electric blue on the edge, and I think that's adorable. And then I ordered these. So I ordered these first. It also has that little electric blue. I got these in a 7.5, and while they fit, I ordered the very similar style without the bow in an 8, and I like how those fit much better. So just sizing, but look how cute these are with the little bow. So why am I showing you these? 1, because they're super comfortable and I recommend them, but 2, I have a discount code for you, Christina 30. It's gonna give you 30% off your order. So definitely check them out. I also have tennis shoes from them, and I love these. I got these in a size 8. Yep, size 8. I normally always order my tennis shoes in the larger of my 2 sizes. Love the tennis shoes, and they're super cute. But let me show you the ones, and I was hoping I was gonna like these. They call them like their walking shoe, and I'm telling you, these are so comfortable, but they're wide, and so they were too wide for my foot, so I can't wear them to walk in. But if you have a wide foot and you're looking for a good walking shoe, check this out, and I will link them down below. But again, Christina 30 to get yourself 30% off. Okay. Giveaways. I have 2 giveaways going on over on Instagram. Now, if you're saying, I don't follow you on Instagram, I only follow you on YouTube, I have a really good giveaway coming up on YouTube, and I'm hoping it comes out next week. So definitely stay tuned for that, and it's really good. But the 2 going on over on Instagram, $25 Amazon gift card giveaway is one of them. The other one is a bunch of adorable baby products, and they are so cute. Like, I am not gonna have another baby just to, have the adorable cute stuff, but I'm totally gonna use some of their stuff for me because it's adorable. It's like little snack containers and all sorts of cuteness. So check out those 2 giveaways and stay tuned for an even bigger one for YouTube coming up soon. Was that all I wanted to tell you first? Yes. Let's talk about Target. Deals are pretty light at Target this week. I did pick up the Jif again, $3.69. There's a $1 digital coupon as well as a 25% off Target Circle offer. Drops it down to $2.77 for the Jif. The Minute Rice Cups, if you've watched me for a while, you know I love having these on hand. They're $2.29, but there was a Target Circle offer for 20% off, making it $1.83, which is cheaper than what I could get it at like Walmart without a coupon. So $1.83 with that 20% off. I noticed more Produce coupons popped up this morning, so check your Target Circle app for some produce savings. And there is a promo for spend $25, get $5 in a gift card from Target on personal care products. So check your Target Circle app, clip that coupon. This is a deal that Total Savings over on Instagram put together, and I did it yesterday and it worked great. So you pick up 2 of the Cetaphils at $8.99. There is one $3 digital coupon, so you clip that. And then pick up the Neutrogena Astringent priced at $6.29. There's a $3 digital on that. At the register, I paid $18.27. I got back the $5 Target gift card. I got back $5 on Ibotta, $2.50 each for the Cetaphil. I submitted my receipt to coupons.com because I bought 2 Cetaphils, but I only had one $3 coupon. So coupons.com will give me $3 back for the other one that I purchased, making my final cost $5.27, cheaper than any one of these products, or just $1.75 each. And I know some people are very brand specific to Cetaphil, so great deal there. The little Cantu, this is like in the beauty section. They have like a, I don't know what they call it, a center display where they have more trial size items, at least at my store. This little guy's $1.89. There's $1.50 digital, making it just 39 cents. And that was it. That was it at Target. The tuna is still 99 cents. The Horizon yogurt still, I believe, on Ibotta with a $3 rebate, so they're $5.99. That would make them $2.99. That's really all I found at Target this week. Now, let's talk about Walmart. So, my Ibotta had these as a freebie last week, but I finally went this week to pick it up. So check your Ibotta, because not only was it 1 for free, it was 2 for free. So I picked up 2 of these Del Monte Veggie Fulls at $3.48. So I paid $6.96. I got $6.96 back on Ibotta. So awesome deal if your store carries these. One in my area did not, one did. So that I had to go to the one that did. Now, speaking of stores that carry things, the core bars. There's 2 different core bar freebie offers on Ibotta. My store doesn't carry those, so I couldn't get them to show you, but they are refrigerated bars. They're found near the yogurt in the stores that do carry them. Someone told me that their neighborhood Walmart carries it. I don't have a neighborhood Walmart near me, so I can't double check for you guys, but let us know down in the comments if you were able to find it at like your super Walmart or if you're going to your neighborhood Walmart. Now, clearance, tons of clearance. And it was like actually organized at my store, which I found funny. I found this 4-pack of Degree soap, and I love the soap with the knobbies, and so does my son. So this 4-pack for $1.12, I splurged and I bought some soap at $1.12, which is not a bad deal. Now, travel section. Pick up 3 of these Old Spice. Always scan it into Ibotta to double check, but when I purchased these, the $5 Old Spice rebate was attaching. Now, my store had these marked at $1.47 still, but I noticed at the register they did ring up $1.56. So I purchased 3 at $1.56. That's $4.68, but I got back $5 on Ibotta, making it free, and a 32-cent moneymaker. This was also kind of a splurge. I wanted to be able to show you guys in case you like the cauliflower products. I like their pizzas, so I thought I would try this out. It's a BOGO offer on Ibotta. So these are $7.98 each. Ibotta's going to give you $7.98 back when you buy 2 of them. So I purchased 2. Got back $7.98, making them $3.99 each, which I figured was a super fast, inexpensive dinner. Never tried these though, so I don't know how good they are. If you've tried them, let me know down in the comments. That way, if it's not as good, I might make something else good to go with it. And if you love it, then I'll just do this by itself. Speaking of, let's go ahead and talk about dinners. I'm going to tell you, I have been I don't know that lazy is the right word. I haven't tried out any new recipes lately because I had so much food in my freezer and in my fridge, and I was trying to use what I have. So my meals aren't all that exciting this week. On Monday, I did cauliflower tacos because I had cauliflower left over from last week. Those were delicious. So I'll try to work on my posts that I normally put over on my website with recipes. It probably won't come out until later this week, maybe even next week, because I have a lot going on this week. But I made cauliflower tacos and I served it with rice. Remember those the rice I bought, I think 2 videos ago from Target? I did it with that rice. I made barbecue chicken, like a rice-a-roni rice, and a zucchini parmesan corn side dish last night. That was really good. Tonight I am going to be away. I have an event, and so it's probably going to be like breakfast for dinner, like eggs, and so my son loves eggs, so he'll probably do like scrambled eggs and I don't know, maybe sausage, I don't know. And then I had barbecue chicken left over. Since I don't eat a lot of meat, anytime I make a chicken meal, I have some left over. So I did the barbecue chicken, and I'm going to do like pizzas later in the week. So I'll do some veggie pizzas, and I'll do some like barbecue chicken with green pepper pizzas. And then my go-to burrito bowls, which is just beans and rice and a whole bunch of yummy roasted veggies. So that's my dinner plan for this week. Now, this was an awesome offer. You can find these near the produce, or at least that's where they are in my store. Check your Swagbucks app. I had an offer for $8 back when you buy 2. These were included. Now, these are $3.78. $3.78 times 2 is less than 8. So we're getting these bad boys for free. And it was a limit of 2 per week, which means I got a total of 4. $3.78 each. I paid just short of $16. I got $16 back, making all 4 packs completely free and an 88-cent moneymaker. Yay! So awesome Swagbucks deal. Now, I'm going to drop my link below. If you join using my link, you don't need a code. I know everyone always asks me that. You don't need a code. Use my link. You're going to get an additional $3 when you scan that first receipt. I also picked up these Knorr sides. Not a bad price, $1.22 each, regular price. You get $1 back when you buy 3 on Ibotta, making your final cost $2.66 or 89 cents each. And always scan that receipt to Fetch Rewards because this is one of the Fetch brands. So I got money back there as well. If you're new to Fetch, grab it with this referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that receipt. Now, this is an awesome freebie. I'll drop the link below. Proper Good. I finally found these at my store. The oatmeal is $5.48. Now, $5.48 for this pack is a little much, but there is a free after rebate offer. So you'll get $5.48 back, and I got it within like 4 hours to my Venmo. They'll do Venmo or PayPal, I believe. So I got $5.48 back there, plus $1.10 back on Shopkick, making it free and $1.10 moneymaker. Awesome. Now, the minute rice with quinoa, or the jalapeno minute rice, there was an Ibotta offer for that one. Not for these, but for these. So I picked these up at Walmart, $1.90 each. You get 2 of them. You get $1 back on Ibotta when you buy 2, making your final cost $2.80 or $1.40 each. That's everything I got this week at Target and Walmart. If y'all have questions on any of that, drop them down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in forever because I didn't do a video last week. Last thing, I have a new, different video coming out tomorrow. So please watch it. I am excited about that. And when I say tomorrow, Thursday, so if you're watching this another day, it may already be out. So pop on over to my channel and check it out because it is it's a store where you can snag some really awesome prices. So I show you all the stuff that I got and the prices that I paid and my honest review on all of those products. So that will be coming out this week too. All right, thanks guys.